Yeah, can you hear me? Hello? Hey, Mohammed, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me, Mohammed? Hello? Hello? আজকে আমি বলছি।
ও এন্ড মানে খুব একটা স্পষ্ট দেখা যাচ্ছে না স্যার, মানে বেঁধে যাচ্ছে এরকম একটা অবস্থা।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আমি তো আমার অবশ্য স্ক্রিনে গুলো দেখা যাবে কারণ আমার ল্যাপটপের ওয়েবক্যাম খুব একটা ভালো না।
ও সমস্যা নেই স্যার।
Anyways, where is Somalian guys? Where is Somalian guys? Hey, Muras, 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 Engineer Muhammad Muras, Swaib Gidi, how are you? Hey, Muhammad, Engineer Muhammad. I can't spell your name even. Engineer Muhammad Murase. How are you? Hello? I
জি
can't
স্যার,
hear you. Sakline? এই সাকলেন আসো?
জি স্যার।
যে এটা তো ওর তো কথাই শুনি না আমি। ইঞ্জিনিয়ার মোহাম্মদ মুরাসে ও কি বলতেছে যাচ্ছে। ওর কি ইয়ারফোন না সমস্যা
মোহাম্মদ
আছে?
মেবি ওর।
নিকনেম
জি
মোহাম্মদ।
স্যার, খুব প্রবলেম
আসসালামু
হচ্ছে,
আলাইকুম।
মানে কথা কেটে কেটে
ওয়ালাইকুম
আসতেছে।
সালাম। সাইদুল ইসলাম, how are you? সাইদুল ইসলাম, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
And
Assalamu alaikum.
ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম। Hey Shoaib, how are you? What is so much noise? Shoaib, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. What are your rest of your friends?
স্যার
What are your other
Sir,
friends? They will join or
there
not?
is coming.
Hey Mohammed, maybe there is a problem in your earphone, okay? Because I can't hear you.
Sir, sir, engineer class.
Okay. Most of you are now present now. Right now, maybe you are total 7%, 8% present. Okay. It's very bad luck for me that it's my very first semester with you, but I have to take online classes in your first semester. I cannot introduce myself with you in your physical class. Okay, it's very bad luck for me also for you. We have to meet in such a way that there is a net problem or you cannot talk with me very well. Still now, I am a new teacher for you because I'm taking your first class in this semester. So let me introduce yourself. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sibul Khan and I have completed my BSc in Tripoli from Kuwait, Khulna University of Engineering and Technology in 2018. And later on, I have joined in your university. Remember one thing: this university is your university, right? That means you will always remember this university because you will complete your BSc engineering from this university, Dhaka International University. So all the time I will say that this is your university. This is not my university because I always tell that my university is Kuwait, Khulna University of Engineering and Technology. But you will always tell that Dhaka International University is your university. Anyway, this course that means fundamental of communication engineering, right? is very important course for you because this is one of the core subject of electrical engineering. If you divide your electrical engineering, that means if you divide your core subjects of electrical engineering, then there will be a machine, electrical power system, electronics, and communication engineering. And this semester is your fundamentals of communication engineering. So it's very important course. You have to be serious about this course. Okay, you have to be serious about this course. The materials you need, I will provide you everything. The books you need, the soft copy, I will provide you everything via Facebook or via Gmail. So no need to worry, as there's a global problem happening right now, so you cannot purchase your hard copy. So I will try to provide you the soft copy of every books possible. Clear, everybody? Are you listening to me? Okay. Sometimes you will respond. Okay. Otherwise, it seems that I am just talking and nobody listening to me. Sometimes you will respond me. I like to interact in the class. Clear? And I'm very glad to see you 7 persons present. Okay, maybe it's enough. And I don't know where you will live, but as there is a global problem, lockdown condition in Bangladesh, so it's fine where you are. Always take care of yourself, because otherwise there is no medicine or vaccine for this coronavirus, right? The only medicine is to take care of yourself. You can protect yourself by only keeping you separated from others. Okay, do not go outside, because if you go outside, you may be infected. If once you will get infected, you will not get any treatment, because there is no treatment available right now in not only in Bangladesh, throughout the world. There is no perfect treatment of corona. So do not be infected. Stay home and take care of yourself and stay clean actually, because if you remain clean, then there is very little possibility of infection by any disease. So try to be clean all the time. Maybe there are some noise surrounding some of you. I don't know. That's why I mute to all, so that there is no noise. You just can listen only to my audio voice. Okay. Today start a new topic. Today, that means that related to our course fundamentals of communication engineering. Saklan Russell. Russell,
হ্যালো স্যার, বলেন।
আমরা কি শুরু করবো নতুন টপিক?
জি স্যার, এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছি স্যার। স্যার?
Okay, no problem. Okay, listen everybody. Now I'll just discuss the basics of fundamental engineering. Okay, let's start. Okay, because it's a net problem. There may be a net problem. There may be maybe in the next class you will not be present. So I want to start right now. Okay, about this course. Now I'm sharing my screen. You will observe everything. You will observe everything on my screen. Just take a look on my screen. Are you seeing my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the fundamental. Listen, you can say this is the basic block diagram of a communication system. What happens in a communication system? That means when when you talk in a mobile, or we are talking right now, right? We are talking right now. I'm talking here, but you are listening there. But there is far distance between us. So how this communication is happening? How this communication is happening? Or you may listen FM radio, okay? You may listen FM radio without any wire connection, that means wireless. So how this connection is happening? You may briefly you'll get a little concept about that. That means you see the 3,000 meter. Okay. See, if you say the basic block diagram of communication system, you see there are first information source, right? That is information source. Then it will go to input transducer. Then it is amplifier. Then it is modulator. Just let me introduce these terms with you. Modulator, antenna, there is a channel, there is a receiving antenna, there is a demodulator, there is a detector, there is an amplifier, there is output transducer, and in finally there is source, destination source. Okay, that means this is the process how a signal or how information is transmitted from the sending end to the destination end. That means you can say it's a mobile communication or mobile technology. That means how our audio, how our speech is transferring from the sending end to the destination end. Okay, this is the sending end. That means there are some informations. It may be a picture, it may be a text, it may be a audio voice, it may be a video signal. That means the signal we want to transmit to to the destination end or to the receiving end. It will be first converted into electrical signal. Do you know why the electrical signal is very popular? Because every signal can be converted. Every signal can be converted in terms of electrical energy, and the communication is based on this technology. Because any signal you want to transmit from the sending end to the receiving end, you must convert the signal into electrical energy first. Because otherwise, if you cannot convert a signal into electrical energy, you cannot transmit it. Because the communication means we want to communicate a far distance without wire, right? Maybe without wire, maybe with wire, it doesn't matter. But if it's a wireless communication, that means you have to transmit a signal or signal or information to some particular distances without any wire connection. So the information source, that means this information you want to transmit, this signal have to be converted into electrical energy, because otherwise you cannot transmit it. So there is a component here, input transducer. You see input transducer. The function of this input transducer is to convert your signal or information into electrical energy. You can say that means, you see, I am talking here with a earphone. When some of you while talking, you see, you hold your speaker, you hold your microphone in front of your mouth, right? So this microphone, you can say input transducer. This microphone, you can say input transducer, because your microphone converts your audio voice into electrical signal. Your microphone converts your audio signal into electrical signal. So in that terms, you can say your microphone is a input transducer. So suppose if you say information source is your audio voice, so your audio voice is converting into electrical signal by using input transducer named as microphone. So later on, the output of the microphone may be small because it is in electrical form. The output of this microphone will be in electrical form. It may be a voltage, it may be a current of a smaller magnitude. So that's why you need to amplify this one. You know, the amplifier will not change the information content in the signal, but the amplifier will increase the voltage level or the current level of your signal, while remaining or while conserving the original information contained in the signal. So amplifier is nothing but it increases the voltage level or the amplitude level of the signal, but it will not change the original signal. So later on, you have to modulate your signal. Later on, you have to modulate your signal. And listen, as today's our first class, we will not describe elaborately of every term. That means what is modulator? We will not describe today elaborately because this modulator is a huge term. We need 3 or 4 classes for describing this modulator. So I'm just giving a little brief about this modulator. This modulator actually mixes your audio signal or your original signal with a carrier signal, okay? And you have to provide another signal here for modulating. That means modulating is nothing, just listen. Modulating is nothing but the mixing of your audio signal with another carrier signal. Later on we will describe it. That means what is a modulator, we'll describe it in elaborately, no problem. We'll just today listening very briefly. Okay, that means after that modulation, you need to transmit your signal by using an antenna. You need to transmit your signal by using an antenna, and it will travel throughout the air, maybe in terms of electromagnetic waves or maybe in terms of radio waves. Okay, there is a channel you see. After transmitting through antenna, the signal will travel through the air. Maybe in respect of radio waves or electromagnetic waves. So it is a channel. After that, in the receiving end, if you say about a wireless connection, in the receiving end, the signal must be received by using a receiver antenna. Signal must be received by using a receiver antenna. So the receiver antenna receives your signal. And remember, you modulate your signal. So that's why, yeah, I remember one thing. A modulator means that is mixing of your audio signal. That means original signal of that signal with another signal. So modulator is nothing but the combination or mixing of two signals. So after that path, there are always two signals. That is modulating signals. And after receiving that, you have to demodulate your signal. And that's why you need a demodulator here. Again, we will not discuss what is demodulator in brief. We'll just tell about demodulator right now. We'll explain it later on elaborately. Okay, what is demodulator? What's the function of demodulator? How it demodulates the signal? Today it's just a normal concept, demodulator. Demodulator and detector is the same. Detector is the part of demodulator, and after that again the output of your demodulator circuit may be a small of magnitude. So you have to again amplify the signal, and later on again it's a electrical signal. That means it's the output of this amplifier. It's an electrical signal. You have to again you have to convert it into physical signal. Suppose if your original signal is audio signal, that means you have to convert your audio signal in terms of your, this audio signal is converting your electrical signal throughout all of these branches. That means input transducer, amplifier, modulator, antenna, channel, receiving antenna. In every of this path, there was an electrical signal. After amplifier, your output transducer will convert your electrical signal into a physical signal. That means it may be a audio voice. So later on it will receive. That means if you see your earphone, okay, your earphone is a output transducer. Your earphone is an output transducer which will convert your electrical signal, or which will convert the output of amplifier. This output transducer or your earphone or your speaker actually, okay, your speaker will convert the output of your amplifier into audio signal. So finally, here is the audio signal received. That means the audio signal transmitting from this end. That means the audio signal transmitting from this end. This means information source. After several process, that means the audio signal converting into electrical signal by using an input transducer. After the output of your input transducer is amplified by using an amplifier, and later on the output of this amplifier is modulating by using a modulator circuit, and the output of this modulator circuit will be transmitted in the air by using an antenna, and later on that signal, that means the transmitting signal, will be transmitted by atmosphere, maybe by a ionosphere, maybe. It's a channel actually. It can be a wire, or if you continue, if you it can be a wire. No, it cannot be a wire. It is atmosphere. Okay, if the atmosphere, this channel, the signal will travel this path as a radio waves or as an electromagnetic waves. Again, in the receiving end, the receiver must receive your signal, and after receiving that signal, it should be demodulated here by using a demodulator circuit, and detector is the part of a demodulator circuit. Later on, again, the output of your demodulator circuit should be amplified, and up to this portion, the signal is in electrical form. Up to this portion, the signal is in electrical form. So hearing the original audio voice, you must convert your electrical signal again into audio voice. So which component will do this? Your output transducer will convert your electrical signal again in terms of audio signal. So finally, in the receiver or in the receiving end, you will hear your audio signal, the signal which is transmitted from this sending end. Hey, were you listening me all?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand everything?
Yes.
Sure. If you do not understand, then tell me. I will again repeat, no problem. Because we will study less, but the topics we will study so that it will be clear to all. Okay.
Yeah.
That means, as today was our first class, my target was to give you a little brief about the basic block diagram of communication actually.
Sir, we need book.
You need books.
Sir, we need a book.
You
PDF
need,
book.
okay, I will
Yes,
provide
sir.
you.
Without book, it's very difficult to understand.
I will provide you PDF books or the slides, need everything, no problem. Okay, I will provide you everything, every materials. Just stay concentrated on class, no problem. Okay, I will give everything. Because today, my target was to just give you a little concept about how a communication happening. That means,
Hello, sir.
listen on. Some of you, besides some of you,
Hello.
maybe these children are crying. Please mute yourself. Okay, Saklan, please tell me, Saklan.
স্যার বলতেছি যে এগুলো আমাদের পিডিএফটা দিয়ে দিলে হয় না স্যার মেসেঞ্জার গ্রুপে বা ফেসবুক গ্রুপে
Definitely, I'll provide you, no problem. But before that, I should explain, okay? If I just provide you this slide or PDF without
জি স্যার
explaining,
মানে আমি না না স্যার কেন বললাম যে স্যার আমি বলি কেন বললাম যে আমাদের মানে মোবাইলে করতেছি তো জিনিসটা অনেক ছোট ভাবে আসছে তাহলে থাকলে কম্পিউটার অন করে জিনিসটা আর কি মানে আপনি বলতেন এদিকে ওখানে দেখতাম আর কি
Oh, that means you are trying to tell that before explaining, I'll provide you. That means before explaining a topic, I should give you the PDF file, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Also, this video is our video class is recording. Okay, I'll give you the recording, so you may listen later on. No problem. You may listen later on, and you will match your PDF with this recording.
It is very difficult to understand in online course, online class.
Please repeat, Sujan, again. What you're saying, Sujan?
Sir, it is very difficult to understand in this online class because net problem, some noise, everything.
Everyone has the same opinion. Somalian guys.
No, sir. We can understand if we get the lectures before explanation.
Oh, that means I must provide the lectures before explanation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. From later on, I'll provide you first the lectures, then I'll explain it. Okay, no problem. You will get it. But
Thank you.
Today's class, you understand. That means what I am trying to say about the basic building block diagram or about the basic block diagram of communication system.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat again? If you don't understand, I'll repeat again. No problem. Because today we will not proceed further topics. I have to just complete this topic. That means the block diagram of communication. What happens actually in a communication system? If you want to repeat, then I will repeat. No problem. But make sure that you understand, because this is throughout the semester. Okay, throughout the semester we will read. We'll explain, or we'll read just only one thing. This thing: how a signal is communicated, how a signal is transmitted from the sending into the destination end.
It will be easy, sir. No problem.
What should I repeat?
Today we have interest. No, sir.
No, you are not interested today.
We are interested, sir.
Okay, as today our first class, I'll not give you so much pressure.
Sir, I do not understand fully. So can you try briefly explain?
Again.
Yes, sir, briefly, not fully,
Okay.
but I will just connect.
Okay.
You know that I can connect now.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, see, okay, that means I explained that means if you want to transmit a signal from this is your sending end. That means if you want to transmit a signal from this sending end, and this is your receiving in your destination end, it may be 100 kilometers away, it may be 1,000 kilometers away, it doesn't matter. It's your sending end and it's your receiving end, and you want to transmit your signal from the sending end to this receiving end. Your signal may be of audio voice, maybe of picture, maybe of any PDF file, maybe of anything. Okay, any signal. Maybe it may be a text. So if you want to transmit this signal, you have to first convert this signal. Suppose audio is a sound signal, text is a written document. So you have to first convert this information into an electrical signal, because otherwise you cannot otherwise the signal will not be compatible in electrical circuit. So for use in electrical circuit, you must convert your signal in terms of electrical energy. And there's input transducer. This input transducer will convert your signal into electrical energy. Transducer is an instrument which converts any signal in terms of electrical energy. So this transducer will convert your information in terms of electrical energy. After that, you have to amplify this signal, because the output of the input transducer is maybe the magnitude of voltage or the magnitude of current will be less. So that's why it should be amplified by using amplifier. And again, there is a modulator. That means you have to modulate your signal. And what is modulator? We will explain it elaborately later on, because modulator is a huge term. We need much time for explaining modulator, because we'll study about this modulator later on. But you will just know one thing. That means the signal must be modulated here. And after modulation, the signal should be transmitted in atmosphere by using an antenna. And after transmitting by using an antenna, the signal will be traveled through the air as radio waves or as an electromagnetic waves, and the signal will be available in the atmosphere. And the receiver have to receive that signal by using a receiving antenna. And after receiving this antenna, the signal must demodulate, because you modulate signal earlier, and modulate means mixing of your audio signal with a carrier signal. So you must demodulate your signal. Demodulate means the recovering of your audio signal or the original signal from the demodulating signal. That means you have to remove your carrier signal here. We'll again explain this demodulator elaborately later on. And detector is a part of your demodulator. So after demodulator or after detector, again the signal or the output of this demodulator maybe of a little magnitude of voltage, little magnitude of current. So again, you have to amplify this one. And you know, amplification means nothing but the increasing of your voltage level or the current level without hampering the original information contained in the signal. So again, this output of this amplifier is a electrical signal, but you cannot use an electrical signal of audio. So you have to again convert your electrical signal in terms of the physical signal. It may be a text, it may be audio voice, it may be a video signal. So again, there will be an output transducer. The output transducer will convert your electrical signal in terms of audio signal or in a text or in a video signal. And if you say the audio, that means audio voice communication, if you say about voice communication, that means your input transducer is your microphone. That means your microphone converts your signal or audio signal into electrical signal. Again, your output transducer is your speaker, because your speaker converts your electrical signal into a audio signal. So I'm trying to just give you a little concept about a communication system. I'll try to explain everything. That means what is a transducer, what is modulator, what is demodulator, what is detector. We'll explain elaborately of these terms, that is modulator, demodulator, in our successive classes, in next classes. Everything okay?
Yes, sir. Everything is
As today our first class, it's really our bad luck, okay? Because I like to teach communication engineering, because it's my favorite subject, communication engineering, and I have taken this course several times before that. It's a very interesting course also to me, but it's a bad luck to you and also me. That means we have to take online classes. So it's a global problem, because it's not only problem in Bangladesh, it's a global problem. That's why we have to take online classes. But if you cooperate with me, then it will not be very tough. It will not be very complex. Inshallah, it will be easier for you. No problem. I'll provide everything's needed for your courses. I'll provide you. Clear, everybody? Have you want to say something? Anyone? Do you want to say anything? Anyone? Any question from you?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then I would not like to continue today, prolong today. I want to end my lecture here. Okay, if you haven't any question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I do not know where you live, but where you live is fine. Take care of yourself. But as there is a problem, a global pandemic, Stefan, I pray for you and also pray for your teacher, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is your Sierra? Please
Yes, sir.
provide your roll numbers of your attendance, okay? Okay, wait one thing. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, please roll 1 to 10. Who is present? Roll 1 to 10. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Roll 1 to 10. Who is present? Please tell your roll number.
7.
Roll 7. Next.
13.
13.
1 to 10. Nobody is present except 7.
Yeah. Only
Okay, roll,
7.
only 7. Roll 13. Next.
Sir, 15.
15. Next.
16, sir. 16, sir.
16. Next.
Sir, 17.
17. Next.
19, sir. 19.
19. Next. Next.
23 Master. Yeah.
Sir, 22.
22.
22,
23.
sir, 22. 22,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Next. After 23.
27, sir.
27.
Sir, 28.
28. After 28.
33, sir.
33. Okay.
26, sir. 26, sir.
36.
37, sir.
37.
27. Sir, 26.
Okay. Are you seeing?
26, 26.
Maybe you are seeing my screen. So see, everything is given to 26. Okay. Maybe nobody's left.
Yes, sir.
35 বলো স্যার স্যার 35 বলো স্যার
Okay, attendance is not a very serious matter. Okay, I just want to take a record. That's why I'm taking attendance, nothing else. Do not
Sir,
take it,
7.
do not take it serious. 7 is given. Okay, boys. Stay fine. See you on
Sir,
next class. No problem. Okay.
sir, my rule number is 7.
Okay, 7 is given. No problem. Okay, stay fine. Today we are ending our lecture. See you on next class, right?
Inshallah, sir.
Okay, after that, stay fine, stay well, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Allah
Thank you.
Hafiz.
Thank you.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।